Do you know what supplements can do for your body? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Supplements, in a nutshell, are products designed to augment your daily intake of nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. They come in various forms: pills, capsules, powders, and even liquids. When we think of supplements, what often comes to mind are the common types like vitamins, which are essential nutrients that our bodies need in small amounts to work properly, and minerals, which are elements on the earth that our bodies need to function. Beyond these, there are also herbs or botanicals, which are plants used for their flavor, scent, and/or therapeutic properties. And let's not forget sports supplements designed to enhance athletic performance, ranging from protein powders to pre-workout energy boosters. These all sound promising, right? But the question remains, do these supplements actually work? Let's dive deeper. Many health experts have weighed in on this topic, and the consensus isn't as clear-cut as you might think. Opinions from reputable health organizations, doctors, and dietitians span the spectrum. Some firmly believe in the power of supplements to fill the nutritional gaps in our diets, while others argue that a balanced diet is sufficient and supplements are unnecessary. Research findings mirror this divide. Numerous studies have shown benefits from certain supplements, especially for individuals with specific dietary deficiencies. On the flip side, other research suggests that excessive supplement use can lead to detrimental health effects. This is where individual health conditions, lifestyle, and dietary habits come into play. For instance, someone with a vitamin D deficiency due to limited sun exposure might benefit greatly from a supplement. Conversely, an individual with a balanced diet might not see any significant improvement from supplementation. As we can see, the effectiveness of supplements can vary greatly depending on numerous factors. Let's take a closer look at a specific category of supplements: vitamins and minerals. These powerhouses are essential for the body, playing a crucial role in maintaining optimal health. Vitamins are needed for various bodily functions like boosting the immune system and aiding in energy production. Minerals, on the other hand, support bone health, heart health, and more. Now, what happens when you're deficient in these nutrients? It can lead to a host of health problems, from fatigue and weak bones to impaired cognitive function. This is where supplements come into the picture, providing a convenient way to meet your daily nutritional needs. However, the debate rages on. Should these nutrients come from food or supplements? Research suggests that nutrients are best absorbed when they come from food. Yet, in some cases, supplements can be beneficial, especially for those with specific dietary restrictions or health conditions. While supplements can help fill nutritional gaps, they are not a replacement for a balanced diet. Another popular trend in the supplement world is the keto diet. But is it for you? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet designed to shift your body's metabolism from burning carbs to burning fats, inducing a state called ketosis. This is where keto diet supplements come into play. Supplements can provide the necessary micronutrients that might be lacking in a keto diet, like magnesium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. They can also help manage the keto flu, a common side effect experienced during the initial phase of the diet. However, it's important to remember that these are supplements, not substitutes. While research has shown potential benefits like weight loss and improved mental clarity, there are also potential risks involved like nutrient deficiencies and liver problems. So it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare provider before starting with any new supplement regimen. So the bottom line is supplements can be beneficial, but they should not replace a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. So, what have we learned about supplements today? We've touched on their potential benefits and the importance of vitamins and minerals. We've also delved into the world of keto diet supplements. But the key takeaway? Supplements can be a helpful addition to your health regimen, but they aren't a magical cure. They should be used responsibly alongside a balanced diet and lifestyle. Remember, your health is your wealth. Choose wisely and stay healthy.